Welcome to SnapMath. Thank you for sending in your question tonight. So we're solving this problem by using partial fraction decomposition. And to do this, what we need to do to the right side of the equation, of this equation, is add these two fractions together. And the first thing, so we need to make a common denominator. So we'll multiply the first fraction by x minus 3 over x minus 3. The second fraction by x plus 3 over x plus 3. So now both the denominators will be the same. So this is going to be equal to x plus 3 over x minus 3. And then the top's going to be a x minus 3 plus b times x plus 3. So now what our equation is this side equals this side right here. So now we're going to multiply the top and bottom by, or not the top and bottom, both sides of the equation by x plus 3, x minus 3. And then that cancels out with that, and that cancels out with x plus 3, x minus 3. So our equation we get is x plus 3 plus, or 5x plus 27 equals ax minus 3 plus b x plus 3. Now what we want to do is fact or FOIL out each one or distribute each one. So it's ax minus 3a plus bx plus 3b. All right, and now what we want to do is we want to combine the x terms. So it's a x plus bx and factor out the x. So it's going to be a plus b times x since we factored it out. And we'll leave the other ones the same. So it's 3a plus 3b. So now we have 5x plus 27 equals this side of the equation. And we're going to break this up into two separate equations. And to do that, we're going to set the coefficients of the x's on each side of the equation equal to each other. So that's a plus b and 5. So those are the two coefficients in our equation. So 5 equals a plus b. All right? And now we're going to set all the non-x terms equal to each other on each side of the equation. So 27 is going to equal negative a plus, or negative 3a plus 3b. So that's our second equation. So 27 equals negative 3a plus 3b. So now we're going to solve for a and b, and we're going to use this system of equations. And I'm going to use elimination here. So I'm going to multiply the top by 3. So this becomes 15. This is 3a plus 3b. Add them together. So 42 equals, the a's cancel out with each other, 6b. So b is going to equal 7. And now we plug b back into the original equation. So 5a plus 7. So a is going to equal negative 2. So these are our two answers, and we're going to plug them back in to get our final answer. So negative 2, we're plugging this back into the right side of the equation. Negative 2, that's what we plugged in for a, over x plus 3, plus 7 over x minus 3. And there's our answer right there. And just to check it, we're gonna check our answer by adding these two fractions together. So negative 2 x minus 3 over x plus 3 times x minus 3. Then it's plus 7x plus 3 x minus 3 x plus 3. So what we get is, I'm going to FOIL these out. So negative 2x plus 6 plus 7x plus 22, or 21, I'm sorry, all over x minus 3, x plus 3. And if we combine like terms, we get our original left side of the equation, which is 5x plus 27 over x minus, or x plus 3, x minus 3. And this is the original side of the equation right here. So we plugged them back into that and checked it. So b equals 7 and a equals -2. All right? Thank you for sending in your question tonight, Natalie, and we look forward to answering more of your questions in the future. Have a good night.